Hey everyone, it's Bruce Tall Guy Miller with Airstream of South Florida, division of North Trail RV in sunny Fort Myers. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the limited edition Airstream Interstate Slate. Now this is a little different than some interstates. There are special editions like the Tommy Bahama. They're the standard editions. This is a limited edition. The difference between a special edition and a limited edition is the limited edition is a limited run. They are only going to build 65 of these, so very limited number. There were a few built early on in the Tellurite color. This one is in the Brilliant Silver. Brilliant Silver is the only thing they're building now. This one happens to be number 56 of 65. So if you think you want an interstate slate, an Airstream Interstate Slate, you need to move quickly. This one happens to be an Interstate Lounge. As you can see, we have the slate colored interior. We have the pearl diamond upholstery, which is exclusive to the slate, as is that slate colored interior. You can see right up here on the cabinets, on the slate cabinetry up there, it says Slate Edition and it has the number 56. That's because this is number 56. We've got the infinity flooring, which is pretty awesome. That flooring is exclusive to the slate, not infinity in itself, but that pattern. It has all the same features as any other interstate. A couple of upgrades for 2019 in that it has 4 house batteries and 1 coach battery. That's an upgrade from 2 house batteries. Also now has 300 watts of solar as standard. So if you look back through here, you'll see the nice cabinetry, a nice open grain cabinetry. Here's your slate cabinetry. We've got our yacht style sink, which is the same in every interstate. We've got our cooktop, our drawer, microwave, our fridge and freezer combination here. And again, we've got the seating back here for 4, actually 5. We've got 5 seat belts back here. And again, it's the pearl diamond. It's awesome. So again, this is Bruce Tall Guy Miller at Airstream of South Florida, division of North Trail RV in sunny Fort Myers. If you think you want a slate, come and see us. Don't wait. We'd love to show it to you. Thank you so much.